Here we are. This is our first actual noreaster snowstorm, or as they're calling it down east, a blizzard. We got some gusty winds, snow coming down. Whoa. We can call this a goddamn freaking blizzard now. That wind just picked right up. I'm used to shooting video and pictures of lightning, not snow. This is up on the upper west side, on the Circular Avenue area, and that wind and snow is really whipping up pretty good. You can tell just looking at the street light. Literally, the streets are like a ghost town. There's a few idiots out there driving around, but we got our DPW people who got everything under control thanks to Pete Bruno and his crew. Trying to get the roads plowed and sanded. Actually, a cat running across the street. Yeah. Got my faith. I think this storm probably took its time getting here and finally hit us, but ain't doing what it was originally intended. But things can change overnight pretty quick. But we will be getting more video and pictures as the night falls. But it's a pretty sight to see an actual noreaster finally up here in the Berkshires. We've been overdue for one of these in many years. A good one, at least. There's Betsy the Great over yonder. He plays out this stuff, they're crazy. Said whiteout conditions. Now it's still happening. And our temperature right now is 22.6 degrees outside, and 80% wetness in the air. This is what the wind actually sounds like up on Circular Avenue when it blows, either during a thunderstorm or during a snowstorm. I would not be surprised to see thunder snow, which would be the winter time version to a thunderstorm.